How to create page in Facebook Lite. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to create page in Facebook Lite. To begin, launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. Click on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner. Within the menu options, find and select Pages to initiate the page creation process. Click on Create Page. Then click on Get Started to kick off the setup. Enter a compelling name for your page, ensuring it aligns with your business or organization. Then tap Next. Add a relevant category that best represents your page purpose. Then proceed by clicking Next. If you have a link related to your business, you can add it at this stage. Alternatively, click on Skip if you don't have one. Enhance your page by uploading an image. Click the plus sign to explore options for uploading or taking an instant photo. If you prefer to skip this step for now, there is a skip button available. After completing the steps, you will see a confirmation that your page has successfully created. Creating a Facebook Lite page can significantly boost your business or organization's online visibility. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.